Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss the life and works of Ernst Bloch. Introduction. Ernst Bloch, 1885 to 1977, was a prominent German Marxist philosopher known for his innovative blending of Marxist materialism with mystic and messianic elements. Born in Ludwigshafen to a railway worker, Bloch's intellectual journey took him through Munich, Würzburg, and Berlin, where he met fellow philosopher George Lucas. His work significantly contributed to Marxist philosophy, particularly through his exploration of utopian thought and critique of contemporary society. Early works and utopian thought. Geist der Utopia, 1918. Bloch's first major work, Geist der Utopia, Spirit of Utopia, published in 1918, sought to revitalize utopian thought. In his expressionistic book, Bloch combined Marxist materialism with mystic and messianic elements, challenging traditional Marxist views and introducing a new dimension to the philosophy. His innovative approach emphasized the transformative potential of utopian ideas. Thomas Munzer als Theologe der Revolution, 1921. In Thomas Munzer als Theologe der Revolution, which translates into English as Thomas Munzer as Theologian of Revolution, published in 1921, Bloch explored the revolutionary potential of religious thought. He highlighted the inherently religious nature of humanity and examined how religious fervor could derive revolutionary change. This work underscored Bloch's belief in the power of religious and mystical elements to inspire social transformation. Response to Nazism and exile. Heritage of Our Times, 1935. Erbschaft dieser Zeit, translated into English, Heritage of Our Times, published in 1935, was Bloch's response to the rise of Nazism. This work comprised a series of cultural and social analyses that addressed various aspects of contemporary society, including physics, music, cinema, literature, and politics. Bloch's interdisciplinary approach provided a comprehensive critique of the cultural and social dynamics that facilitated the rise of fascism. Exile in America. In 1938, Bloch was forced into exile in America due to the Nazi threat. Despite not holding an academic position, he wrote his most important work, Das Prinzip Hoffnung, translated into English, The Principle of Hope, during this period. This magnum opus marked a shift in Bloch's focus from religious and messianic elements to a broader social and cultural analysis of utopian aspirations and longing. The Principles of Hope. Published in 3 volumes, The Principle of Hope emphasized the future orientation of Marxism. Bloch argued that Marxism should focus on the recognition of present contradictions as a foundation for future-oriented practice. This approach contrasted with traditional philosophy, which primarily interpreted the past. Bloch's Marxism, therefore, presented an open system adaptable to new content and evolving social realities. Return to Europe and later works. Return to Leipzig University. In 1949, Bloch returned to Europe and accepted a post at Leipzig University. However, the following decade saw his growing disillusionment with Eastern European communism and periodic criticism from more orthodox Marxists. Bloch's increasing dissatisfaction with the political situation led to his eventual request for political asylum in West Germany in 1961. Later publications. Bloch's later works continued to explore themes of religion, metaphysics, materialism, and natural law. His extensive publications during this period reflected his enduring commitment to examining the complex interplay between human aspirations and social structures. The philosophy of not yet, process philosophy and open systems. Bloch's Marxism is rooted in the tradition of process philosophy. He argued that the ontological structures of human beings and the world are not yet fully realized. This future-oriented perspective emphasized the transformative potential of recognizing present contradictions. Unlike Hegel's closed system, which presupposed that truth had already been realized, Bloch's philosophy remained open to new content and the possibility of rethinking existing categories. Imaginative yearning and utopian aspiration. In various aspects of culture, including imaginative yearning for a better society or technological achievements like flight, Bloch found evidence of humanity's not yet consciousness of its truth and potential. The operator not yet, noch nicht, allowed Bloch to highlight the future orientation concealed within overly repressive social relationships. This concept referred to that which is conceivable but not yet possible, present now but only problematically, and expected in the future. Pre-appearance and revolutionary practice. The utopian future for Bloch was obscurely glimpsed in its pre-appearance, wore shine through humanity's discontent with the present world and its hope for a better one. This yearning was not empty but served as the starting point for disciplined interpretation and revolutionary practice. Conclusion. Ernst Bloch's contributions to Marxist philosophy are marked by his unique integration of mystic, messianic, and utopian elements with Marxist materialism. His works from Geist der Utopia to The Principle of Hope reflect a profound commitment to exploring the transformative potential of human aspirations. Bloch's future-oriented Marxism offers an open system adaptable to evolving social realities, emphasizing the ongoing process of realizing human potential and striving for a better world. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Ernst Bloch. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.